Amy owns a rental home with a pool, Amy, and she discovered during a routine check to the home, the fence around part of the pool had collapsed. So she's worried. What liabilities is she facing? What should she do? I think obviously call a fence repair company to do that. But what are the liabilities until the fence repair company gets out there?
Absolutely. There's a lot of concerns and considerations with that fact pattern. First and foremost, certainly you want to have the fence repaired properly and safely. But before that can be done, depending on the contractor's availability, I would forbid access to the pool. I would securely rope that off, mark it off as best you can. And I would not allow those tenants to be using the facilities. And I would make sure that, there's a notice to them of that. There could be neighbors. It could be an open invitation and danger for other children that could see that and could walk in and God forbid they drowned or harm themselves otherwise. So we want to also take those considerations and fold them into insurance, making sure that our homeowner's insurance agent is aware that we have a pool, that it's being rented, to see if we can get some additional umbrella policies. How much coverage do we have in the event someone harms themselves while swimming? Also, make sure that lease is rock solid, that you have some specific hold harmless and indemnity language in there. How are we going to treat any invitees or trespassers, frankly, that may come into the pool and, again, hurt themselves, harm themselves, or worse? We want to be planning for the worst, preparing ourselves for that, and then just hoping for the best. But I would immediately try to, again, secure that in whatever way I can till it was repaired, and not allow anybody in, because it's just an open danger. And certainly it's against permitting as well to not have a fence around it, I presume.
Yeah, I would suspect it's an accident, but certainly that's the case. By the way, if you are thinking about selling or want to see some of the videos that we do, we really do a heck of a job. Greg is posting a lot of videos up to our YouTube channel, and we have several ways to get there. And by the way, if you want to see a rebroadcast of this show, you can go to LouisvilleAnswers.com. That's LouisvilleAnswers.com. But to see the videos that we post, including a lot of other stuff, you could go to LouisvilleHomesTV.com. That's LouisvilleHomesTV.com.